So I'm going to put this by here.
Okay.
Remember, the big bad wolf was friends for the bear, and the big bad bear was friends to the wolf, and the wolf was Gimme, and the bear was Gimme, and there was big, whaley, big, and there was a dinosaur and a tiger Gimme. And there was a lot of animals to chase me. And I was run really fast like this. Run! I was run like that.
He ran early for
One
me.
day, the bear was chasing me faster, and he was. And I was sitting on your lap, and I was sitting on your head, and I was scared of that bear, and that bear clumped on you, mammal, and the bear just climb on you, and that bear just get